job just a tad bit more difficult. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus.
Keep going.
Okay, no more. So today we are relocating trees to create that barrier I was talking about along the edge of the property. So he's gotten all of these planted so far, doing the middle, bigger ones in the back, and then the smaller ones in the front, staggering them. So it's creating this lovely wall of palm trees. I'm just going through and putting the hose on each one of them to get them nice and saturated. Ugh. And then we're gonna go in and pack in the dirt better. Jeez, oh Pete. Looking good. And we're gonna go all the way down there to the first one he started down there. And eventually you won't be able to see in. He wanted to trim all the palms so they're just sticking up out of the top. to make him easier for transport, but I wouldn't let him. So I'm making his job just a tad bit more difficult. What about the 2x4s? Because if you pull it anymore, you're right on the edge of it. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, Tree.
Right?
No, a little bit more. I know, handy little thing. Ivy girl. What you doing? Huh? What you doing, Ivy? Ivy too. Go get it. Go get it. Where's the deer? Go find them deer. Y'all, this man is crazy. We have been here since around 7:30 this morning, and it is a little after 6:30 p.m. and I'm over it. I want to go home. I'm like, let's go take a shower and get clean and relax, and he's like, no, we're staying till the sun goes down. Might I add that the sun doesn't go down for another 2 hours at 8:30 p.m. Here's a sign. Always follow the signs. Oh God. Dead end. That's not a good sign. Look, Ivy. Ivy, look. Right here. Look. What is it? What is it? It's like half beetle, half ladybug. It's a baity bug. It's a baity lug. Oh my God, you guys, he's stepping off the machine. Oh, he's going pee-pee. Well, I'd say there's some blockage now. Privacy, privacy. Nice and thick right here, which is perfect because this is where the fifth wheel's gonna sit. Ivy, come here. Oh, the stake's right there. So yeah, that's enough. Just leave that little gap right there at the top.
Put the power pole open right here, our tent pole right here. Have to trim a little bit of those.
Well, no, look, it's right there. So it can directly come over that small one right there. This gap right here. It's perfect.
I know, I'm looking at it.
And then
the
put
pole's
it.
going to be pretty high. So I'm thinking about just trimming that little, because they're going to have a clear, the wire can't be touching any trees. I might have to trim the edge of that one with the pole saw. And that little
And then it can sit here, right? Because we're not driving through here. The pole can sit right here. Because we're not gonna, this isn't gonna be a driveway or nothing.
No.
Goes straight from where the marker is
right
out. Yeah.
So I just won't put a big tree here. I'll put a couple over here.
Yeah.
It goes up straight.
Yeah. And I think that should be plenty enough room for the power line.
That's the biggest tree I've moved yet.
Holy shit. Oh God. So this pole right here is the stake for the temp power pole they're gonna put in. They're gonna attach to this one over here, bring another pole, set it here, and then bring the temp power directly right into here. So we have to leave some space for the wire. Oh, Ivy, it's almost done. I'll put the before pictures before this as well to show you how different it is. All this, all the way down and around. And now he is working on this area up here. And he's gonna do it like a little circular area right here, because in the front corner, there's gonna be an area where we're gonna do the garden because it gets the most sun over there. But this is what he's working on now. Than I thought it was